This next number was called Sha La 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 La. La? Oh.
Sha la la la, sha la la la, sha la 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 la, sha la la la, sha la la la, sha la 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 la.
O que eu achei, quando ele me apontou pequenos erros que tinham lá no meu trabalho, foi interessante perceber que isso que existe, por melhor que você veja o seu trabalho, sempre existem coisas que precisam ser melhoradas.
Olha, eu achei muito bom fazer mais trabalhos e vou voltar para encher ele mais amostras daqui 2 anos quando ele voltar.
Fazer mais, desenhar.
It was good. A lot of different styles. You know, there's some people that need work, but really nice. I get to see a lot of different people here that I wouldn't normally, so it's very nice for that. There's a lot of guys that have potential. You know, some are young, so it'll be nice to see how they progress. Different. The first time we had such a huge turnout. You know, this was a little. More spaced out, so it was different. Different people, so I didn't see the same kind of styles. So that was nice. I hope so. Yeah. Now Guedes and Ivan Reis, Eddie Barrows, yeah, these are all great guys that are working here in Brazil, so yeah, hope to continue finding new talent here.
Já foi! O que é isso? Sha la la la.